Lokalise is a service that makes localizing your content fast and efficient. Integrating it with Storyblok is super easy, and I will show you how to do that in this video. So let's say you want to translate your website in Italian. Let's start from your space, go to Settings, Internationalization, and select the Italian language, add it to your website, and click Save. Now, if you go back to your content, to the home page, for example, and select the fields that you want to translate, make sure that the translatable flag is on. Now let's go to Lokalise and create your first project. So click Get Started, select Web and Mobile, input a name for your project, select the base language of your website and the target language that you want your website to be translated into, and create a project. Now go to Apps and search for Storyblok. Click on Storyblok and on Install. Now you will be asked to add your personal access token, so input this and click on Authorize. Now you will be prompted to select your space, so choose the space that you want to integrate and the base language of the space. Click Save. When the refresh process is finished, you can reload the list and see the full content of your website in Lokalise. You can now select the content that you want to translate. For example, I want to translate the headline and subheadline of the hero section, so I can import this in the English language. Click OK. Now, when the import process has finished, you can go to the editor and you will see the empty Italian fields. Clicking on a field will allow you to enter your translation or select from an AI translation with Lokalise. For example, I will translate with the Lokalise AI here. When the localization is finished, you can input and save it. You can now do the same with the other field, insert and save. And the translation is finished, you can go back to your apps, search for Storyblok, click on Manage. You will again see the list of your content. You can click on the content that you just translated to export them back to your website. Click on Export Selected, export only the translated language. Click OK. Now, when the export process finished, you can go back to your website, select on the drop-down the Italian language, and see that your fields have successfully been translated with Lokalise. If you want to know more, you can check our tutorial and documentation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.